Good afternoon, y'all. It's Mike Bill, aka Trading Psychology, back at you guys on another video. I just wanted to update you guys or have an ES to SPY recap today for the month of March. It is currently the 6th on a Monday, and the market it was very interesting today, honestly. I mean, for the least, I could say it was pretty textbook, but I'm gonna break it down to you guys, and we're just gonna go from there. So earlier in the morning, ES was around here. It was bouncing around here around 9 a.m. So I had my 7 a.m. analysis and I had my 9 a.m. analysis. So my 9 a.m. analysis was like every time ES holds, my 40, 49, 17 level, it usually likes to continue to my 40, 71, that 82 level. That's all the way right here. So, and I'm saying this early, and potentially higher to my 40, 82, that 75 level, and that was right here. If ES can come up and hold my 459 level, I would like to see a continuation of 471.97, possibly higher. So my strong conviction, this level right here, my 4059 level, I said if ES can hold this level, I would like to see a continuation, which it did early in the morning. It held that level. It was a continuation. So earlier, I think I got in probably right here. No. I got in probably around here. Yep, I got in right here. And ES was just playing. It was playing. But I got this push up, and once I got this candle, this strong candle on my 15, showing that the pattern wants to continue, because this is bullish. I mean, I don't know, it's already making on the 15, it made a new high, it made another high with this push up. Once I seen a close like this, I was just like, I'm confident in my trade, and it still had me a little off edge when it came down to my 40.59 level, because if I got a break and hold under this level, then I would probably be out my trade. I would have been out my trade, but it continued to hold above, so I was still more lenient in where I was going. So it closed above. I held, sold it right here, the level that I wanted to take it to, and I had got in on 0-day contracts, so it moved pretty good. It moved definitely pretty good, and the reason why I was so conflicted on this level, because I seen how every time in the past, and if you look at the past at this 40.59 level right here, every time ES held this level, where did it continue up to? Here for sure, but it went all the way up here. Every time ES held this level right here, where it go to? Went all the way up there, but it went to here. Every time ES held this level, it came up, came to here. So, I mean, this was my entry, this was my exit, because that's what I was conflicted on. If it went higher, okay, I missed out. All right, but I made my profit for the day, so I'm still grateful for what happened. I have two other examples right here. So, ES came up, held this level. Where'd it go? Went up here, where I saw ES held this level. Where'd it go? So I was really basing my trade off of history. Honestly, I was basing it all off history, because history is going to show me where it wants to go. History of past prices, where the volume wants to go. Like, why wouldn't I not respect history? I have every reason to respect history. History has never proved me wrong, honestly. It has never proved me wrong. And of course, it's not going to be as accurate as it was last time, but history usually repeats itself when it comes to volume. So that's why I focus more on what level reacts the most. How does it react the most when it comes down to this certain level? And if it does react like how it did in the past, will it continue? Then that's what taking that risk is. If you take the risk with a good analysis to back it up, then you really shouldn't fear. You shouldn't be fearful of it. You see, when I was in this trade right here, I mean, I was going up and down for a minute, up and down, especially when it came down here. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and lie to you guys. I was close to exiting out my trade. I was close to, but I knew the general direction. I knew the general direction, and that's what I believed in. And it clear as day went in that general direction. It even went to the top of this. It followed my whole plan completely. I just did not hold. I had stuff to do, so I wasn't trying to be in the market that long. But it followed it. So the whole point of this video is really just, I really want you guys to just really look back in history with your trades and with the trades you're looking to potentially get in. Follow price, follow volume, because it will always show you where it wants to go. If you trust your analysis and if you write it every morning, you will be a profitable trader. You will be a profitable trader. So, I mean, and this is another entry that I just came back to the screen, but I missed. But this was a clear code entry, right? So, in one of my rules, I wrote my rules down. Always wait for the break in the retest. ES broke down, retested back up. Broke structure right here. Broke it. Retested back up. Once I seen that ES is struggling at this level so much, even if you look at the 15, it's lower. I mean, it's coming down. It's clearly trickling down on the 15. This would have been my candle entry right here, honestly. I mean, with my stop loss to break above, but I wasn't in my screen. But that was a clear setup. That was a clear code setup, and it was a good setup, honestly. But it broke. It did the break and retest, and it fell. Anybody could have got in right there, right here. Stop loss above. You clearly see it struggling at this level so many times, so you just got to be realistic with what you see. And on different time frames, it'll show you more. So, like, honestly, just follow volume, follow price action, because it will lead you. You just got to trust yourself and trust what you see. Always wait for the break and retest, because that will give you a clear code entry. If it breaks and it retests and it shoots all the way up, okay, you didn't get in the trade. You didn't. It shoots all the way back up. You missed out, but you just missed out. You gotta accept missing out, okay? Because I always felt like I had to be on time to certain shit, and I can't miss it. I just found being okay with missing out, because I'm not gonna catch them all. I'm not. But that's really all I had for you guys today. I wanted to thank you guys for coming and watching my video. I really want you guys to just pay attention to what I'm saying to you, because a lot of traders won't tell you. A lot of traders don't even know, honestly. I mean, they know what they're doing, but they don't know. They don't know the history. They don't pay attention to history. I want you guys to just take a look at what I'm doing and apply it to y'all. See if it works. If it don't, okay. But if it do, you own to something. And you growing. I'll probably come back to you guys with another video later on tonight. Probably just have an analysis going into tomorrow, and we'll go from there. I hope you guys have a great day. It's time to get to it. It's a Money Monday. Y'all have a good day, man.